Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video, I will guide you to fix account deletion warning on Clash Royale. If you are getting an account deletion warning on Clash Royale, it usually means your account is at the risk of being deleted due to inactivity, violation of terms, or Supercell IDs. Now, you can simply fix it by following the steps shown in the video till the very end. The first step and the first basic step is that make sure that your device is connected to Wi-Fi or any kind of data. And after that, you just need to open Play Store or App Store, and from here search Clash Royale and check if there is any update available for the app. So if there is any update, click on the option of update. If there is no, you just need to open the app Clash Royale and you just need to log into your device. So after logging into your device, you just need to check why the warning appeared. Is it due to inactivity or the terms of service violation, like using the cheat modes or third-party app that can trigger delete warning, or also you may face various issue of Supercell ID. So if your account is not properly linked, you might also lose it. So to fix it, you just need to simply log in and play your Clash Royale account immediately. So log into your account and play the immediately, and it will help you fix the account deletion warning. The next thing which you can do is that you can simply link your Supercell ID. So click on the three dots at the very top right and click on the option of Supercell ID, and from there you may simply log into your link your Supercell ID. So that's it. That's how you can fix the account deletion warning on Clash Royale. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.